Today I'm gonna Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a flying machine and build a boat. So you need glass. Or you can use stuff other than glass, but yeah. Oh, wait, that wasn't so you can use stuff other than glass, but I use glass because if you use you can't use a really light object or you can't use a really heavy object, and glass is the thing I use. Then where is it? You get one of these, and then you put up, and then put it in the middle. You get on it. You get a glue block, and you go on top. 1, 2. I do 4, because why not? Why can I? Oh. Okay. And then you can just, now, if you need to clear, you see, when you're playing Boat on the sidebar, there's something black stuff, and that's why you haven't gone through, you haven't gone through this black area yet, and you need to do that, or else when you get to the end, it shows you. You can do that, look. And then you go. You just gotta wait a little bit. I just move my legs around. And then do it the treasure chest. And there you have it. You got it. And you also get that block when you beat the game.